Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a GST bill in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and set up your sheet with columns for customer name, address, product description, quantity, unit price, and the applicable GST rate. This foundational structure is crucial for accurate billing. Make sure to include spaces for the invoice number and date at the top for clear record keeping. Next, populate your sheet with product data, including unit prices and their respective GST percentages, such as 5%, 12%, or 18%. Apply formulas to calculate the taxable value by multiplying quantity by unit price. Then, calculate the GST amount for each item and sum these to get the total GST payable. This ensures every tax component is correctly accounted for. To streamline your process, consider creating drop-down lists for frequently sold products and their corresponding GST rates. Utilize functions like VLOOKUP to automatically populate unit prices when a product is selected. Finally, apply professional formatting such as borders, shading, and appropriate font sizes to make your GST bill clear, readable, and professional for your clients. Before finalizing, meticulously review all entries and calculations to ensure there are no errors in quantities, prices, or GST amounts. Save your completed bill and also save a blank template for future use, which will save you significant time on subsequent invoices. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed throughout your workday. This ensures your billing process is efficient and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.